Welcome to 7516 South Avalon Boulevard, right here in the heart of Los Angeles. If you've been looking for a home that checks all the boxes, this one doesn't just check them, it breaks the pencil. Come with me and let's check it out.
That's when you remember who you are. Overthink tomorrow when we're alright. That's when we forget just who we are. Make us come together and it's alright. That's when you remember who you are. Overthink tomorrow when we're alright. That's when we forget just who we are. Make us come together and it's alright. That's when you remember who you are.
If you are waiting for the opportunity to build wealth in the city of Los Angeles, this is it. Homes like this do not sit on the market. Share this video with someone that you think may be interested in becoming the new homeowner of this house. And if that person is you, send me a DM and let's talk. I look forward to hearing from you soon.